Troy Jackson, who will face Collins in November's election, also held an event today. Our Phil Hirschkorn was there and joins us live in the newsroom now with the details. Hey, Phil.
Hi, Bailey. Democratic U.S. Senate candidate Troy Jackson was campaigning in Portland tonight. It was only the second public appearance that local press was invited in advance to cover since he secured the party's nomination to replace Graham Plattner 25 days ago.
We can win this race, and we'll do it together.
Troy Jackson addressing dozens of supporters at the new Supper Club Cocktail Lounge in Portland, the former logger and state Senate president listing his top issues.
It's about making sure that we have health care. You know, we have prescription drugs, child care, nursing homes, housing, access to abortion.
Jackson criticizing his Republican opponent, Senator Susan Collins, saying the rural health care fund she helped create as part of the Trump budget bill last year will restore only a small fraction of the Medicaid cuts in store for Maine, also in that bill.
I see her as taking a lot more money out of the system than bringing in. I mean, I'll give her credit for the fire station and stuff like that. But if there's no one lives here anymore or can't afford to live here because she's not willing to stand up to Donald Trump, then I don't see how that's any good either.
Jackson told reporters he would not automatically oppose all Trump judicial nominees, and he told me that his prescription for universal health care, Medicare for all, can coexist with private insurance.
I think it definitely can. If you want to have your own health insurance, go right ahead. But for the rest of us that are struggling to get it, I think we should be able to have government-sponsored health care like all those elected officials have.
Jackson says it makes no sense that the government doesn't provide health care when it pays for war in Iran, agencies like ICE, and tax cuts for the wealthiest Americans. In the newsroom, Phil Hirschkorn for News Center, Maine.